Hello and welcome to Uncharted Origins, the channel where we explore the latest trends and topics in the world of finance. I'm your host, Sam, and today we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and controversial innovations in finance, cryptocurrency. You've probably heard of cryptocurrency, or crypto for short, but do you really know what it is, how it works, and why it matters? In this video, we're going to give you a crash course on cryptocurrency and its potential impact on the future of money. We'll cover the basics, the benefits, the challenges, and the risks of cryptocurrency, as well as some tips on how to invest it wisely. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money that only exists electronically and is not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or a bank. Instead, it relies on a network of computers that use cryptography to verify transactions and secure the system. Cryptography is the science of encoding and decoding information, and it ensures that only the intended recipients can access or modify the data. The first and most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was designed as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that allows people to send and receive payments without intermediaries or intermediaries. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with its own features, functions, and goals. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies are Ethereum, which enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, Dogecoin, which started as a joke but gained popularity thanks to social media and celebrity endorsements, and Cardano, which aims to provide a more scalable and sustainable platform for innovation. But why should you care about cryptocurrency? Well, there are several reasons why cryptocurrency could be the future of money. First, it offers more privacy and security than traditional forms of payment, as you don't need to share your personal or financial information with anyone. You can use pseudonyms or addresses to identify yourself, and you can encrypt your data to prevent unauthorized access or tampering. Second, it can be faster and cheaper than using intermediaries like banks or payment processors, as you can send money directly to anyone in the world without fees or delays. You don't need to worry about exchange rates, conversion fees, or cross-border restrictions. Third, it can be more inclusive and accessible than conventional money, as anyone with an internet connection and a smartphone can use it without needing a bank account or credit history. You can also participate in the network by contributing your computing power or resources and earn rewards for doing so. However, cryptocurrency also comes with some challenges and risks. For one thing, it is highly volatile and unpredictable, as its price can change dramatically in a short period of time due to supply and demand, speculation, or external events. For example, in April 2021, Bitcoin reached an all-time high of over $60,000 per coin, but then dropped by more than 50% in May 2021 due to regulatory crackdowns in China and negative tweets from Elon Musk. For another thing, it is not widely accepted or regulated by governments or businesses, which means that you may have limited options to spend or exchange your cryptocurrency for goods and services. You may also face legal or tax issues depending on where you live or operate. And finally, it is not immune to hacking or theft, as you may lose your cryptocurrency if you forget your password, lose your device, or fall victim to a scam or cyber attack. So, is cryptocurrency worth investing in? Well, that depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and level of knowledge. Cryptocurrency can be a rewarding but risky investment, so you should do your research before you buy any. You should also diversify your portfolio with other assets, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate, to reduce your exposure to volatility. And you should only invest what you can afford to lose, as there is no guarantee that cryptocurrency will increase in value or even survive in the long term. That's all for today. I hope you learned something new about cryptocurrency and its potential impact on the future of money. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more finance-related content. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions on cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.